Hi, welcome to my page. So today I'll be showing you how I got this dye using thread and needle. So if today is your first time watching with us, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Stay tuned as I show you how to get this beautiful style. This dye can practically make this dye on every short hair. This dye is most beautiful when made on short hairs. So for those who wants to make cornrow but you think that your hair is very short to make it, so you can use this method. It's called a needle and thread stitch cornrow. It's okay. Stay tuned and watch. See how it goes. So you can make any style you want. I just want to do both or back. I just want to do both or back 7 pieces. So you can practically make any style you want with this. So we are using needle and thread as I said. Remember to use the down of the needle, not the sharp side, so you don't injure your customer. Now remember to hold the end of the thread so it don't slip out when during the starting. Okay, so you see it. See what I did. Hold the thread very well so it don't slip out. Now you place your needle and bring it out from the middle. Don't make it to pass through, just the middle. Then the other side at the middle too. Okay, so that's how you get the cornrow. That's how you get the stitch like thing you need. All right. You can make this style on hair even shorter than this and make the style using this method. All right, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, leave your comment, leave your thoughts, leave your questions, leave a remark. Okay, see how the stitch are forming, and they are forming beautifully. Remember, don't use the sharp part of the needle so as not to injure your customer. I will zoom the video more so you can see what I did. Okay, I think the video was near enough. You can also share our video, recommend our page. We are also in every social media platform: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Okay, so we repeat the same thing to the other remaining hair. So here is our final look. How do you see your hair, guys? Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it beautiful? Short hair carry the cornrow. So leave your comments for us. Tell us what you think. Ask a question. Share, like, subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my returning viewers, to all my subscribers. Thank you to everybody that is supporting our page. Thank you for watching. Bye.